Oh my goodness gracious. Take a look at what just came in. 2021 Cedar Creek Champagne Edition. 38 EKS is the model. Just arrived from Indiana this morning. You see the bugs on that beautiful automotive style windshield. Take a look at the automotive style full paint. No stickers on this. Absolutely incredible. So we got a spot here for a outside fridge. Here you can put that burner. Look at the storage here. We got central vac, place to plug in a TV outside if you want to. We got outside speakers. That side, this side. Oh, look at that. That's a camera. Doggy leech or latch. Sorry. I'm just too excited. Look at those. Those are spring loaded, by the way. So solid steps, spring loaded, so they assist you put them back in. Keyless touchpad entry. Outside TV. Frameless windows. A Thule awning with LEDs. Another awning right there with LEDs. Take a look at the beautiful fiberglass cap here in the back. With a backup camera already installed. It's got 2 air conditioners. One of them is a heat pump. 2 more slides on this side. Aqua Go Therma water heater. Instant hot water. Love it. Rhino box hitch. Well, if you think this is nice, let's go inside. Woo! Lots of wind today. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. Allure furniture. Power operated. Look at this kitchen. Oven. 4-burner stove. Microwave. Wouldn't be a champagne edition without your wine chiller. Fridge. Dual sinks. This is just like at home. Nope. This is way better. All right, we got a residential style fridge with an ice maker. Now this table does extend. Oh, there's the extended, the leaf right there to extend that table. There's 2 other chairs underneath the master bedroom. Look at the accent lighting. Wow. Wow. Incredible. Okay, that turns into a couch. This throws out real heat on those chilly nights. Look at the size of that TV. So that is actually, I can tilt it, I can push it back, like so. So you can actually angle the TV this way, or angle it this way. Again, more theater seats, power operated. Wow. There's that spring-loaded step that I talked about. Your central vac right here. Great little spot there to put some shoes on. Walking in towards the master bedroom, but before we go there, let's do a little pit stop. Skylight. Fantastic fan. Dual faucets. Dual windows or mirrors. Take a look at this shower. Where's the water drain? It drains right there, folks. Awesome. Storage. Wow. Storage. This is deep. I'm just gonna light. Another one over on this side. Oh yeah. Definitely a unit you can live in. This could be a little office, a little workstation. We got another TV. We got the Wi-Fi booster right here. There's that automotive style windshield. And it does have daytime and nighttime shades. That's throughout the coach. Here's some more storage. Again, talking about living in here. You can put in a washer dryer combo right there. It's prepped. That is a Cadet auxiliary heater. Of course, this is going to be a king size bed. See those reading lights? You can either have them in a nice soft blue or, of course, the white light. Let's take a look underneath the bed. Oh yeah, there's the chairs I talked about. Whew. Absolutely incredible. Fit and finish in the Cedar Creek. That and Riverstone. I don't know. I think this is the best of the best. But don't take it from me. Come take a look for yourself. Come on down to Pine Acres RV in Moncton. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.